Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You are preparing to run the Minecraft Java preview build safely and efficiently. First, confirm you own Minecraft Java Edition and have the latest Minecraft launcher installed. Check that Java 17 is present or use the launcher's built-in runtime to avoid compatibility issues. Create one backup copy of each world folder before enabling previews to prevent data loss. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM for preview testing to reduce crashes and stuttering during experimental gameplay. Open the Minecraft launcher and sign into your Mojang or Microsoft account to begin. Navigate to the Installations tab and tick the box labeled Snapshots or Previews to permit experimental versions. Click New Installation to create a profile and pick the specific preview or snapshot version from the version list. In More Options, set JVM arguments to allocate 4 GB RAM and confirm the game directory if you prefer separate saves. Save the installation and return to play to launch the preview profile. Launch the preview profile and immediately create a new creative world for initial testing. Use the F3 debug screen to monitor performance and check for obvious errors or missing content. Avoid opening your main survival worlds until you confirm stability in the test world. If you encounter issues, close the game and collect the Minecraft/logs folder and the latest crash reports for diagnosis. Report reproducible bugs on the official issue tracker with clear steps, logs, and your system specs to help developers fix problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.